Hello everyone, it's Marvelous Beauty here. So today we'll be sharing with you how I normally make my donuts. In French we call it beignet. Some of my friends they call it donut. Some of them they call it puff. Some of them they call it galette. So a lot of people have been requesting me, Mommy, please, we need some donuts, we need some beignet, we need some puff. Can you make a video about it so we know how you normally make it? That's why today I'm making a video about it. So you will need like a bowl, like an empty bowl like this for you to do the mixture. So you need like a wooden spoon. You need like maybe a teaspoon of butter. It's optional, you know, if you want. If you don't, it's okay. So you're gonna need 250 ml of milk. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna need some dry coconut. You're gonna need self-raising flour. So it depends on how much you want to make. So if you want like a big quantity, you can use like the full 1 kg of this pack, but if not, you can use half. It depends just of how much you want. So we are using some sunflower, and we have some grounded sugar here, and then we've got our measuring cups here. So yeah, so we're gonna get started now. Yeah, so I'm just adding my flour parts. So I'll just get like half of it. I will need 2 teaspoons of coconut. Yes, I'll put some sugar here. Put the sugar here. So I'll put like half pint of sugar. So I can add like some flour so as I go. If I feel like the sugar is too much, so I'll add like the flour when I'm doing the mix. So I've got some yeast here. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of yeast. Yeah. And then now I'm gonna add the water. So that's me adding the water. Let me stirring it. I'm stirring it so to get it in my batter. So I'm just adding my milk. I just keep stirring until I get like a battery consistency. So as you can see, I used the full pack of flour, so it was 1.5 kg. That's how it looks like. So I'm gonna get this teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of butter. This one as well is optional. If you want, you put. If you don't, so that's okay. You don't have to put. And then I continue just like stirring. Yeah, when I started, I just put 2 teaspoons of coconut, but I feel like so it's not much, so I'm gonna add this one. So half of this spoon of coconut. So it actually depends, you know, on how you like it. I don't like to put it too much. I like just the taste, people to taste it. I don't want it to be like being visible. So I'm just continuing stirring it. Okay guys, that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna cover it. I leave it rest like for 2 hours, and then I will come back to show you how I'm gonna fry it. So keep watching. So I forgot to mention earlier that the self-raising flour does come with the yeast inside, but we normally add a little bit of yeast just to make it this slimy consistency. So I'm gonna fry it now, so I will put it in the oil now. So put it in the oil. Not a second. So to make sure that the oil is well hot, so when you put the donut inside the oil, so it has to raise up to come up, so it doesn't have to stay inside, so that the right temperature like to cook with. So that's our donut cooking. So you have to turn it in between, so you wait until it becomes like very golden, and then you can take it out. Let me fry my donuts, my mikate, my puffpuff, my mandazi. As you requested, like mommy, please make some for us. That's me making it for you. So I'll show you when it's like ready to eat. You fry it until you see this nice golden color, so it's just ready for out. So make sure you drain the oil out here. So you put maybe like a piece of tissue inside to drain the oil out. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna put it in a plate. You can eat it with peanut butter, you can eat it with peanuts. It depends on what you want to eat it with water, juice, tea. Yeah, that's the mikate here for you, as you requested me to do. So I did it. Hope you enjoy it.
Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and share with your friends. Thank you again. See you next time.